Hello, here you are studying the physics spherical lenses, image formation by the spherical lens. In the previous lecture, you have seen what will you take for the, which ray you will take for the ray diagram. Now you will see how will you, what is the conditions of the image formed by the convex lens at different condition when the object is placed. Object is placed at infinity, then image will be formed like a mirror. You know, in the concave mirror there was a sixth condition. Here also there is a sixth condition. At infinity, beyond 2f1 means beyond C. At 2f1 means at C in the concave mirror. Between 2f1 and f2, at f1 and between f1 and 0. So where is the image form? You must know it, then easily you can get. The image will be at focus. Where it will form? At f2. Next side. At f2 it will be formed. What is that? F2? F2 is the focus 2 of the another thing. Nature, it will be highly diminished. Real and inverted. What will you get? Highly diminished, real and inverted image you will get when it will be at this. Next, what will be the ray diagram for this? The ray diagram for this will be like this. When the object is at infinity, then which ray you will take for the ray diagram? There will be a parallel beam of light you will take. They are coming and meeting at a point. That point is your focus. They are meeting at a point. Here. This is your image. Here is the image formed and here is the object from here. You are getting the image F2. There is a 2F2. Here F1 and here this. So you are getting the image formed at there. Two rays, you are getting all the parallel, only two rays you will show it. It is the ray diagram for this. Second, when it is beyond 2F. Beyond 2F means, beyond 2F1 means between F2 and 2F2. Where it will be formed? Between F2 and 2F2. Diminished, real, inverted. Diminished, not highly. So what will be the ray diagram for this? The ray diagram for this you will get. That is the image will be, it is F1, it is 2F1, it is F2, it is 2F2. Then what will you get? When the object is beyond 2F1, then the image will be formed. Here is the optical center. One ray which is, it is passes through the focus. Another ray which is going to this, you are getting, here they are intersecting. Optical center without diversion it will go. So you are getting the ray here. It is the AB, then you will get the A dash, B dash. Image formed, diminished, real, inverted. Between F2 and 2F1. F2 and 2F2. You are getting it is F2 and 2F2. When the object is at 2F1, then it will be at 2F2. Same, like a mirror. At C, then at C. At 2F2, same size, real and inverted. Then what will be the image? You see. Same size, real and inverted, then the ray diagram for this will be here F1, here 2F1, here F2, here 2F2. Then it will be formed at the same place. What is the ray? Same place you will get. Here also you draw the same line for ray diagram. Then you can get a line which is parallel and passes through the focus. One which is optical center, you will get a ray which is going through the optical center, passes through here, and it will be the A dash, B dash, where it is at 2f2. Well, if it is FAB, then the same size real inverted and 2f2 you are getting. Fourth one is between 2f1 and f2. Between 2f1 and f2, then in this, between this, then beyond 2. Where will you get? Beyond. Beyond 2f2, magnified. Magnified means large. Magnified real inverted. Magnified real and inverted. Then what will you get the case of third one? How will you get this? What figure you will get? Magnified real and inverted. Same thing. Here, optical center f1, 2f1, f2, 2f2. What are you getting? Object is at this place. Between f1 and 2f1, then it will pass like this. When another ray is going, then you are getting, it is intersecting at this place, you are getting beyond 2f2. Beyond 2f2, inverted, real and magnified. Magnified means large. At f1, at infinity, highly magnified, real and inverted. At infinity, highly magnified, real and inverted. In this case, you will get, it is the, what will you get? At O, f1, 2f1, f2, 2f2, then or at f, what will you take? There you take the two rays, one is parallel and it is going this side. One is here, it is going, both are going to like a parallel, assuming that it is meets very far long, and at infinity you get a highly magnified real and last one between these two, optical center and f1, then same side of object where image will be formed, same side of object. Where is the object? The same side image will be formed, magnified, virtual and erect. Magnified, virtual and erect. What will you get? It is the magnified, virtual and erect you will get. How? Here magnified, virtual and erect. You are getting, here is the optical center, here is the f1, here is the 2f1, here is f2, here is the 2f2. So virtual and erect, this you are getting. There is a two rays you are getting. One which is this side, you will get one which is passes through the focus. Another which you will take both the rays which is parallel. One you take which is parallel and it is passes through the focus. After this, one which is passes through the optical center. Both you produce this side. Both you will produce in the backward direction because it is not meeting this side. So you are getting it is meeting at this side at one place, and this place you are getting a virtual and erect image. If it is AB, then you are getting A dash, B dash behind the object. Virtual and erect, same size of the object. Magnified you are getting. This is going to increase the size. So produce back side you are. One is optical center and one is parallel, passes through the. In the convex, there are 6 conditions you are getting in convex. First, at infinity, beyond 2f1, at 2f1, between this, at f1 and between f1 and optical center. All the cases are real, fine, except one. But in the case of convex lens you are getting this. In the case of concave, there is only 2 conditions. Concave lens, there is only 2 conditions. First, at infinity, then at focus, where at f1 you are getting, in this condition you are getting only two conditions. It will be at f1 virtual highly diminished, at f1 highly diminished virtual erect. You are getting highly diminished virtual and erect. You will get point size. Point size you will get. That figure will be like this. You are getting, it is the optical center f1, 2f1, f2, 2f2. So when the object, so all the one ray here you will take which is parallel and it is going this direction. One you will take parallel and it is going this direction. So producing back side you are getting at f1. Second case what will you get? Between the infinity and optical center. Between infinity and O. Then where image formed? Image will be formed between f1 and optical center. Between, where it will form? Between f1 and O. Image will be formed. Here object, here image. Only two conditions you will get in the concave lens. At infinity, at f1. Virtual, erect and highly diminished. Between infinity and optical center, then it will be at, where will you get? Between, where are you getting? Between f1 and O. Virtual, erect, diminished. Virtual, erect and diminished. Here is the f1, here is 2f1, any place, f2, 2f2, optical center. What will you take for this? Very simple ray you will take. Object is at this place, any place it is. You are taking a ray which is parallel, and after a parallel ray is going this direction. When the lens you are taking, then bigger lens you will take. So here you are taking, it is going this direction, backward direction you produce, meeting. Another you are taking, one is passing through the focus, no divergence. So here is the image. It is the AB, then here A dash, B dash. Diminished, virtual, erect, between O and F1. Same thing what is given in the convex mirror, and here concave lens. Convex mirror, there is a two condition. Concave mirror, and here concave lens also has only two conditions. So these are the ray diagrams you have seen with the figure, and now you will draw these things, all the 6 conditions of the convex lens and the 2 conditions of the concave with the pencil and scale. You draw the ray diagram, and then we will study in the next lecture, that is the sign convention of the spherical lenses as well as lens formula. Thanks for today.